Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very famous recipe of India from the state of Punjab, and that is called Chole Bhature, and this is known as chickpeas curry and it's extremely tasty. It's really good with puri, which is known as bhature, and it can be only simply eaten like that. Before I proceed, please make sure to press subscribe button and do press like as well. So for this recipe I need almost 3 cups of chickpeas. I have boiled it with garlic, cumin and ginger garlic paste, dry cumin. I need Kashmiri chili powder, vegetable oil half cup, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala. I'm going to use chaat masala powder, cumin powder and salt to taste, as well as I'm going to have 2 onion which I have sliced it very thin. Look at that. I'm going to use 2 big red tangy tomatoes and 3 green chili. Now if you want, you can simply avoid green chili, so I have just sliced it up. I'm going to also use coriander leaf and water, half cup of water. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat a pan and add up my oil. During this whole process I'm going to show you some tricks here and there to add up that nice Punjabi perfect chole curry. So my oil is heated now. I'm going to add up a pinch of cumin, some onion, 2 slices of onion. Just mix it up, and I'm going to also add salt in that so that it gets softened up really quick. So I have kept my flame on high. I'm going to add up salt. I'm adding almost 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix it up really well and keep on mixing till the time it turns lightish brown. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. This is the color I'm looking for. Now I'm going to add up my tomatoes and slice green chili, and I'm going to keep it on high flame and I'm going to keep on mixing it up so that the tomato get mushed up, really get soften up, and then I will start adding up all my spices. Now what I'm going to show you is a trick how to give your chole nice tangy curry flavor. So be tuned, just stay tuned and you will know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to add up my Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon. I'm going to add coriander powder, 2 teaspoon. I'm going to add turmeric, half teaspoon, and I'm going to add a ginger garlic paste. Now all the spices you can easily find it in any shop, including ginger garlic paste. It's easily find it in all the recipe sections, so you can easily find in all the dry ingredients in the dry ingredients corner, and it's easy and it's handy. Just keep it in your home and it stays like for so many different recipes. What I'm doing is I'm going to mash it up, all my tomatoes. Mash, keep it up ready. Once I see that it's really blended really well, I can see that the oil is coming out of the tomatoes and onion. I'm going to add up my previously boiled chickpeas. Now if you want to know the recipe for that, please comment below, and I promise you I will let you know how to boil this chickpeas. I have just added 2 cloves of garlic and some dry cumin and salt and a little bit oil and leave it to cook. Look at that. I'm going to cover my all chickpeas into tomato puree. The puree which we have prepared, I'm going to just cover it up. I'm going to start adding up my different spices. This is cumin powder. I have taken 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala powder. Now this is really nice flavor for a chole to give a street taste to it. Just add 2 teaspoons of chaat masala, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I have made it in home, garam masala. If you want to know the recipe, please comment below and I will let you know how I prepare my garam masala powder in home. It is really better, much better than any shopping center out there. Now the secret is coming up. That means I'm going to tell you a secret. What I'm doing is, instead of adding up a normal water, I'm going to add a stock. I'm going to add a stock of chickpeas, which I have boiled it up earlier. I have keep it aside so that I can use it for my chole, and you will not believe it works as a magic. It's really yummy, and it will also reserve all your protein. So what I have done, I have added my boiled stock. Now another tip is, this is a secret ingredient as well. I'm going to let you know, I'm adding in this dry mango powder, just to give that tangy flavor, a perfect style of Punjabis. And now I'm going to put the lid on and leave it to get cooked on low flame for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to open my flame, and this is how it looks like. Look at that. Now I'm going to keep it on high flame for almost 5 minutes because I want all the water to get soaked up. Look at that. This is how it looks like. I'm going to garnish it with coriander, onion and lemon. It's really good with puri, this type of puri, and it's really just simply good like that. It can be as a chaat or it can be as a starter. I hope you like my recipe. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.